Hi guys, welcome to Binary Programming. Today we will see the API-led connectivity. In this I'll try to explain what is API-led connectivity, advantages of it, what was the problem that has solved using it, and also I'll try to implement API-led connectivity in MuleSoft. So to understand the API-led connectivity, the first question which comes in our mind is what is API? So an API or application programming interface is a set of defined functions and methods for interfacing with another program or services. So in old days, API meaning was different and it was very much limited to internal uses only. But now modern API has changed that meaning and nowadays we design our APIs in that way so that it can be reused and can be exposed to external world. So there are so many APIs available like Google API, SAP API, MuleSoft Cloud APIs, etc. So if you want to import any of the functionalities of this API, you can simply make a call to respective API and get the desired functionality in your application. So after this, now we will see what is API-led connectivity. So instead of going into the theoretical part, let me consider an example, and with that only we'll try to understand what is API-led connectivity and what are the advantages we have for it. So here you can see I have an API exposed, and in that I am making a call to external web service to get the purchase order data and then doing some kind of transformation, and then I am making a call to SQL DB to get the shipping details, and last have Salesforce to get the customer details and then forming a final response to return to the consumer. So in this design, let's see what are the drawbacks we have. So here if you have observed, we are having very tightly coupled different systems. Like if we have to replace any of these external systems, or if you want to add new systems, then we have to modify an application and it will impact all the end consumers. And also it will increase our developer time, as again we have to do testing for our complete application. And as number of end customers will increase, our overall application will start looking like this. So from this picture we can see it will become very difficult to maintain, and also to track any failure point will become a headache. So here we need an approach that can help us to connect data to applications through reusable and purposeful APIs. So here comes the concept of API-led connectivity. In API-led connectivity, we have three layers: the system layer, process layer, and experience layer. But it is not mandatory to have all three layers. You can keep it 2 or 3 as per your use case. So let's see what is system layer. System layer is a layer that you build on top of a system and which handle all system specific connections and setting. And system API, it hides all the complexity of IT infrastructure from the users. Next is process layer. Process layer or process API is where you keep all your logic, like business logic and orchestration, and it does not talk to end systems directly, but instead connect to system API to get its data. Next we have is experience layer. Experience API that we expose to end users, and its responsibility to provide all the informations required by a client in a format that they support. Okay, so now this monolithical designed app will try to convert into a API-led based application. So first we will identify all the external systems. From there we are getting the actual data, and here we can see I have external SOAP service, external DB, and Salesforce. So here in this system layer we have to expose 3 endpoints one for purchase order, shipping and customer details respectively, and then we can make a call to these endpoints from the purchase order process API to get the data. So like assume we have exposed the system API with these three endpoints, and this is our process layer. In this process API, we can see I have three system API calls to get the data from different systems. And then I have experience API. There I'm making a call to process layer, and then finally forming a response. And only for showcase purpose I am keeping all the APIs into a single application, but you can create separate application for each layer. So with this design we can see our application became very systematic, and also if you want to scale up or scale down, we can easily do this without impacting experience or process layer. And also we can create reusable APIs that can reduce the development time, and also it helps us to reduce the cost. And if you want to enroll new customer, that also become easy. So with this I am done with the API-led connectivity. Thanks for watching.